What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice in Clipchamp. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Clipchamp. After typing, you will see the first official link of Clipchamp. After clicking on the first link, you will see the option of sign in and start for free. If you want to sign in, you can sign in, or if you don't want to sign in, you directly want to start Clipchamp, just click on start for free, and without any sign or login in, it will start for free. But remember to link your mail account to Microsoft for direct access. And now to change voice, click on new video, create a new video, and after clicking on the left side, click on record and create icon. After clicking here at the last, you can see text to speech. Click on this and then you can add your language, your voice. This might take some time to load. And after that, you can choose your own language, whatever language you want. Here are some multiple languages that you can choose from. And after that, you can choose the voice that you want. And to hear the voice, just simply click on this hear this voice and it will preview the voice. And after previewing the voice, you can choose multiple voice that you like. And after clicking on advanced, you can set the vocal pitch. Here it is set to default. You can go for extra low, low, medium, high, and extra high. For example, I click on medium. So this is set to medium, and you can even set the pace from here, and then you can type what you'd like to say, like, hey everyone, like this, and you can then type your text here. And after when you are done, click on the save option to save everything. And if you want to first click on preview and then save your work. Now, after saving, as you can see, I have written here everyone in the text, so this repeats my text into the voice of this Ava multilingual and with a medium pitch. So this is how you can change voice in Clipchamp. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.